How to create Canva templates for sale. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Canva templates to sell online to make money. We can sell any kind of template on Canva. We can create t-shirt designs, we can create websites design, flyers, posters, logos, videos, and much more. So that's what I will cover in this video today, how I create these templates on Canva to sell online. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna get to canva.com and you can create your account. So let me show you how I create these templates on Canva to sell online. So you will get to canva.com right here, and you can create your account for free on Canva with your Google account or your email address, and you can even buy the Canva Pro. With Canva, we will get a lot of different elements to play around, and you will be able to create a high quality professional template. So you can actually choose your niche first, whatever template you want to go for. For instance, you want to create a presentation template, a digital planner, a logo template, a menu card, a flyer, anything you want to. So I actually personally create printable flyers, and I will create a template like this that we see here. So first of all, we're going to actually just click on create a blank flyer, and it will take us to our blank canvas on Canva right here. This is an A4 page that will be printable. So let's get into it, and you will just create your design freely, whatever you want to do, and you will create a full design on Canva first, and then we will just save it as a template. That's how it works. Let's give it a name. So for name, I'm just gonna call it, for instance, I'm just gonna call it a test template for now. There it is. So this is going to be a flyer, and I will also be getting some inspirations from here that are different templates already created. I want to create something like this. So let's actually get into it. First of all, we can change the background color. So the background color, I don't want it to be plain white. Rather, I would actually change it to something else. But if for a template, don't go for a very dark background color because it will not look that good. And as a template, it's better to go for a white or just change it a little bit, not much. So I'm gonna go with this color right here, very light color here that I have. So we can now add different elements. First of all, I'm gonna go to the frame section here in elements. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit to go to frames. So in frames, I'm looking for, I actually want to add an image here. So I'm gonna look for a frame, something like this, or we have this right here. This actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna add this one, and I'm gonna make it bigger and place it at the top. But what I will do is I will just want the half of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place it in a way that it makes just like a little banner here. Perfect. Now we can add an image to the template. For a template, you don't need to upload files. You can if you want to, but we can even use some of the images on Canva. So we can upload the images, or we can use different images from Canva too. So that's what I'm going to do. For instance, here I'm actually looking for a travel image. So we can search for different photos and graphics here on Canva. All right, so we have all of these. This is actually a pretty good. So I'm going to select this one and add it here in the background. But we're going to double click and adjust it a little bit, like so. So this is what it looks like. Now, what I'm going to do is we can also go for something else where we can see some road. We have this here. So let's go with this one. So you can see we have this image right now here. So I'm going to actually make it a little transparent because I want to add text. So let's make it a little transparent like so. And we're going to move on to the text. So we're going to enter a text here. So this is my text that I want to add. And I'll place it here. Now we can actually work on our, text color and the fonts. So we're going to select the text, and we're going to select a, we're going to make it bold first, and we will select a font from here. Keep in mind, because you're creating a template, make sure to keep everything super professional and make sure to have clear vision in your head and create a high quality professional, template. So we have something like this now, and I can change it, maybe change the color of the text maybe. And we have this color here, we have this one, and we have yellow. Okay, this one actually looks really good. So I'm going to go with this one. So moving on, we need to add some more text here and the images. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the elements, and in elements, we'll go with this one. and we're gonna add this right here. Now, right click, bring forward, and this is what it will look like. So you can see this is what it looks like, but I'm gonna change the color, and it's going to be this. Now we have this color here, which was the background color. In this, I'm gonna add some text. So here we will add a body text, which is going to be, I'm gonna place the text here, and we can add more text now. So this way you will add this text right here. You can see I also changed the font. You can select any font from here and you will be able to select from like hundreds of fonts available on Canva. So after that, you can see I'm going to go to the text section and I'm going to add a body text and enter the text here. So that's what I did. Now I'm going to make it pretty small for people to add some text on the flyer. So to give them some space so that they can add some text. And we can also go for a body text again and enter a website right here and place it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add some more images into it because more images kind of like attract more people. So for these images, we're going to go to the frame section again. We don't just have frames on, Canva. We also have lines and shapes here. We have different graphics. We have stickers. We have videos. We have charts, tables. We have grids that we can add. Grids is also a really important part when it comes to a template. So I could have gone with a grid as well. So what I'm going to do is for now, we're going to again go to the frame section here. And from frame, I'm going to add these frames. So I'm going to add a circle right here. And I'm going to add another one like so. So we have two now and I'll place them here. So you can see this is what it looks like. Now we need to add some images. So we can also upload now. So we can go to the upload section here, upload file, and we will upload different images and the footage that we want to use. Or again, we can go to the element and search for some footage to add to this template. So I have added these two images, or maybe I can change the second one. We can add this one, or I can adjust this one. So we can just double click and adjust the image. So I'm going to do that. And here we have the first one. I'm going to double click and adjust it as well. So we have two images right here and the flyer looks pretty good. But we need to add some more things right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a circle here. But this time I'm actually looking for some graphics to add. So I'm going to go to the graphics section and then we have something like this here. And we have this here. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to adjust it to the size of our image so that it gives it a frame. Similarly, we will select it and add it right here as a frame. We're going to make it a little bit smaller and place it here. Perfect. So it's black. I'm going to change the color to white, and you can see now it looks like this. It gave the image a little bit of that frame. You can see something like this. So we're going to do the same thing to this one. And we will change the color to white like this. Perfect. So now we have our template ready. This is what I was looking for. We can add more things into it. For instance, in graphics, I can maybe like add few things here. If I go to graphics, it's giving me some of the magic recommendations. So let's check them out. Okay, so we have this one here. This one looks pretty good. Maybe we can add it right here. Okay, so you can see this is what the template looks like. Once the template is done, your design is done, the design that you created. Now, what you need to do is you're going to click on share, and then you will get the option of template link. Click on template link, and this is the link for your template. Now, this is how we create templates on Canva. Anyone with this link can use this design as a template. So what we will do is we will copy this one right here and share it as a template. So you can see all you need to do is just click on a template link here, and then we have other links too, but you're going to select the template one and now share this link in your website, in your socials, wherever you want to. You will share this link to sell. If you want to sell your template, this is the link that you will add to your website or your store that you have. So yeah, guys, this is how you create templates on Canva to sell. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.